Kawai ni kibenta ban penkre kajing rakhi Jubilee Ksiar Gajala Meglaya kabarangya chat kata nadu bakala yo kum Gajala pura ka Block Mission Management Unit CNRD Block Umsning harungkat kajinge lang bat ka Union Christian College kila pelong ya ka program bekerpang bat kabalatip kum ka SHG Mega Event Arjar Arpwe kam Health Camp hakati ka college. Umentri rangba ka Sorkar Jela u Konrad K Sangma ulashim ya kabenta kum ukongsan hakati ka program rengkat ka jingedon lang u Dr. WR Khadluki MP ka Rajya Sabha uba dasakhiat baha lamare Menteri ka Sorkar Jela uba Jason S Maulong MLA Umsning ka kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC Umsning ka kong RM Kurba DC Riboy ki SHG ki Village Organisation bat QA.
I'd like to thank UCC for allowing the MDMA and the NRLM to host this particular program here, and would like to also thank the students of UCC for the wonderful cultural presentation of the entire Northeast that was shown today. Having said that, I only have 3 points that I would like to make. The first point is regarding the importance of the self-help groups. When we came into the government, we were very clear in our mindset and in our goal that we need to impact and we need to perfect and we need to support the grassroots system. And we strongly felt that the only way to do that was to create an institution at the grassroots level, where we will be able to reach out to every household in the state. And then we realized that there were schemes of Government of India and the state schemes, and we could do this particular objective or achieve this objective by forming self-help groups. Self-help groups are not just livelihood programs for the women group that are being formed, but they are institutional systems and networks. Today, we have lakhs of members from different households who are part of the NRLM movement and who are part of the self-help movement. And tomorrow, the same institutional setup can then be used for multiple government programs. And that is the reason why we have focused on the self-help movement. I would like to tell you that the self-help group movement has really been one of the key successes of this government. I repeat, this has been one of the key success programs and successes of this particular government. From a mere 6,000 groups, we are today at 36,000 groups. We, from a mere 200 village organizations when we started, we are today at 2,500 village organizations. From a mere 10 crores which was given to different community investment funds, we have reached 110 crores, from 10 crores to 110 crores as we speak. In Umsning alone, we had only 24 lakhs that have been given to self-help groups. From 24 lakhs in the last 3 years, we have come to almost 5 crores. In terms of the self-help groups that have been formed within the Muslim block, from 190 groups, today we have 1,075 groups in Muslim. From a mere 2 crores of loans that were given to different self-help groups, today we have distributed 90 crores of loans to different self-help groups. From a mere 319 groups who had got loan, today more than 8,730 groups have received loan. This kind of success that they have achieved in the self-help group movement, where more than 3.5 lakh women today are getting benefits because of the schemes that they're doing, the programs they're implementing. is really something that we should all be thankful to the team and the organizers who have worked day and night to achieve this target. And our target will be that there should be one member from every family who should be part of the self-help group. We expect to touch 42,000 self-help groups in the next 1 year. From, as I said, from a year, 6,000 groups will be took over. So therefore, the self-help group movement has come a long, long way. Today, under Muslim bloc,
ingin menghadapi sebuah program online yang sungguh dan saat ini program kita agak dengan numpat yang kapor kang kecil tipok kecil kecil kentam ya di self group hampang ibadah nak ada seni yang ada kapor bagi pada kecil kerpat nak ada juga kelomba apa yo isi prepare yo jengarap prepare dari central dari state government ide berprogram bahaya ini berprogram baik ini nangba kumba pipi anggur akan dimulaikan untuk ketinggian yang dijumpai berkat kecenderungan kinong ngerap nagalian untuk government kinong kita baik dan tiba kinong ini grup kiman head bansan susu syahman syafran dengan kuat
prepared for the future. Self-help group is a beautiful initiative to give those who are less fortunate a chance that they who are deserving those have the will and fire to succeed, to have an even playing field with the help of the government, the officers and the staff of the CNRD department. I take this opportunity to thank the government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma for paving a way for our young unemployed youth and other aspirants of the society to achieve the goals and ambition. Once again, I thank all.
Pakistorka, kung paglirap, hagani kasini, hagani kapot, pakan yai tray, pakan lamu, kagol, nane, kabakin mang nane kitim temu, yang storka, menrat berpong, yang kitim kutin tengah, lagi yang islam itu. Dadak ini iman pedek, community storka, kele AA kemudian kam, namata kali pakai jatuh lewu jauh, kumulasi.